Yeah, hello, yeah. So I'm Crypto Lord, and I welcome you all to my channel. Yeah, so today I want to introduce a new way to make money online doing arbitrage online. Yeah, so I have a class coming up that is crypto arbitrage class for beginners, and I will leave the ticket link in the description in case you want to join and learn much about arbitrage and how we do arbitrage. Yeah, so today I want to initiate a trade using NFT USDt to trade for you to see how we do our arbitrage and how we easily make our money. Yeah, so I'm using NFT USDt. So on Bybit, NFT USDT is 0.0004118, and if you come to Bits UNX is 0.0004110. You see, yeah, but it keeps on going up and down. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, so when I say that, okay, this is the amount of money I want to buy, I'll come to my buy session here, and I'm buying NFT. Yeah, so it's on limit order, so I can say that I want to buy it at 10. So if I initiate the trade, when it gets to the 10, I will buy it. Yeah, and here is 118 over here, so I'll go here to sell. Yeah, so if I come to here and I'm buying it, the quantity, the amount, I will enter 100 USDT. So it means that we're getting this amount, 243 million something. Yeah, yeah. So if I come here, you see that if I enter 100 USDT, I'll be getting 243,309,002. Yeah, so I can decided to buy it at the rate of here, and if it gets here, it will buy it for me. That's a limit order. But if you're buying from market order, that one is instant. So this one, if I set this one, unless the market get to 0.8 before I will be able to to buy at that rate. Yeah, that's the difference between limit order and market order. Yeah, so if I buy it over here, if I buy the NFT USD over here at this rate, and I'm selling it over here at the rate of 4118, 0.00418, that means I'm making profit. But before you initiate any trade, first of all, you have to do your three factors check. So let me do a one check for you. So if I come to my assets funding, I'll search for NFT. So this NFT, then I'll go to withdraw. So NFT address is TRC20 address. So I'll come here too, and I'll go to deposit and see if they bear the same address, because if the address are not the same, you can't initiate a trade. That's why I said that at times you can see opportunity, but address are not the same. That doesn't mean that it's different coin. It's the same coin. Yeah, it's the same coin. So let me go to my deposit. I'm coming deposit, and let me search for NFT coin. Network. NFT. So it's also used TRC20 address. So it means that I can initiate the trade. I hope you see it. Yeah. So they bear the same address. That means I can initiate the trade. And one thing about this regulated platform is that you can do as many trade as you want. So the fee for the transaction is what, 0.11. That's not even up to $0.20. Yeah, that's the fee. So imagine if you put $20,000 inside, you'll still be paying 0.11 USDT. You see that thing? Yeah. So one thing about arbitrage is that you need more money to make more profit. I hope you understand. If you want to make more profit, you need more money. Yeah. So that's how arbitrage works. Yeah. So When you say that, when you see the opportunity, then you come and check the transaction fee and the address. If they are the same, then you are good to go. Then you have one last thing to check. That one I will not tell you. If you join my class, I'll tell you. Yeah, so you can do as many trade as you want. You see that then? Yeah. So right now, the NFT, the NFT, you can use the NFT to do, and you one thing is, at times you can see that the profit is very little. So if you put in more money, the profit will become huge for you. That's it. That's how it is. Yeah. So this is how you do your arbitrage. So you come here. So since I'm buying it from here, I'll go to withdraw. So I'm buying from here, right? So I'll go to withdraw, and so if you are buying it at lower rates from here, from the Bitunix, that one, it means that if you buy it, you have to withdraw it. So you go to your withdraw. Then every withdrawal that you do, you have to do your recommendation first, like your Google authentication and stuff first. Yeah. So you come here and you search for the coin. That's NFT. NFT. Then you select Then you select the coin. Then you see that it's TRC20 here. So I'll go to my crypto here, and here, as for here, I'll choose deposit crypto, and I'll enter NFT. Then I'll choose TRC20 address, copy it, come to the platform here, and I'll paste the address here. Then I'll enter the amount I want to withdraw. Then I will withdraw it. You see, as simple as that. And if you want to send it internal, you can go to the internal part and do it. But on-chain withdrawal, you can use on-chain withdrawal to do it. Yeah, then you send it. So if it gets to here, then you go straight to convert. You can convert it. You can convert the NFT, the NFT to USDt, or you can come here and sell it. Both team to score. Everywhere you can do it. So that then, yeah. So this is how you make money doing crypto arbitrage, and you can do this. It's unlimited, as many as you want. You can do this as many as you want. You see, yeah. So thank you for watching me, and please, I will leave my class link in the description in case you want to join my 28th class this month. Yeah, click on the link, buy your ticket. It's just $20, and you're good to go. And it's also in my bio. You can click on it and buy it.